Hello and welcome to this video on money management. In this video, we'll discuss various tips and tricks to help you manage your finances better. From budgeting to investing, we've got you covered. So, let's get started. Part 1. Budgeting. Budgeting is the process of creating a plan to manage your income and expenses. A budget helps you prioritize your spending, avoid overspending, and save money. Here are some tips to help you create and stick to a budget. Identify your income and expenses. Before you can create a budget, you need to know how much money you have coming in and going out each month. Start by making a list of all your sources of income, such as your salary, bonuses, and any side hustle income. Then, make a list of your expenses, including your fixed expenses, such as rent or mortgage, utilities, and car payments, as well as your variable expenses, such as groceries, entertainment, and clothing. Categorize your expenses. Divide your expenses into categories, such as housing, food, transportation, and entertainment. This will help you see where your money is going and make adjustments as needed. You can use budgeting apps, spreadsheets, or pen and paper to create your budget. Set goals. Decide what you want to achieve with your money, such as paying off debt or saving for a down payment on a house. Use your goals to motivate you to stick to your budget. Make your goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Track your spending. Keep track of your expenses using a spreadsheet or budgeting app. This will help you stay on top of your spending and make adjustments if necessary. Review your budget regularly and make changes as needed to ensure you are staying on track. Part 2. Saving. Saving money is an important part of money management. It helps you build wealth, achieve your financial goals, and prepare for emergencies. Here are some tips to help you save more. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. This will help you save money without thinking about it. You can set a percentage of your income to transfer automatically to your savings account every month. Start small. If you're not used to saving, start with a small amount and gradually increase it over time. Even if you can only save a few dollars a week, it will add up over time. Cut back on expenses. Look for ways to cut back on your expenses, such as eating out less or canceling subscriptions you don't use. Use coupons, buy generic brands, and negotiate bills to save money. Save for emergencies. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, such as car repairs or medical bills. Experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in an emergency fund. Part 3. Investing. Investing is a great way to grow your money over time. It can help you achieve your long-term financial goals, such as saving for retirement or buying a house. Here are some tips to help you get started. Start early. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts of money invested over time can compound into significant savings. Diversify your portfolio. Invest in a variety of assets, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate, to reduce risk. Diversification helps you spread out your investments and reduce the impact of any single asset on your portfolio. Invest in low-cost index funds. These funds track a broad market index and have low fees, making them a good choice for most investors. Index funds can provide diversification, low costs, and long-term growth potential. Stay disciplined. Don't let short-term market fluctuations derail your long-term investment strategy. Stay focused on your goals and stick to your investment plan, even during market downturns. Part 4. Debt management. Debt can be a significant obstacle to achieving your financial goals. Here are some tips to help you manage your debt. Pay off high-interest debt first. Prioritize paying off debt with high interest rates, such as credit card debt. Paying off high-interest debt can save you money on interest charges and help you get out of debt faster. Create a debt repayment plan. Make a plan to pay off your debts by listing your debts, interest rates, and minimum payments. Then, focus on paying off one debt at a time, starting with the debt with the highest interest rate. Negotiate with creditors. If you're struggling to make payments, contact your creditors and try to negotiate a lower interest rate or a payment plan that fits your budget. Avoid taking on new debt. Once you've paid off your debts, avoid taking on new debt. Instead, focus on building your emergency fund and saving for your long-term goals. Part 5. Mindset and habits. Money management is not just about the technical aspects of budgeting, saving, and investing. It's also about your mindset and habits. Here are some tips to help you develop a healthy money mindset and habits. Define your values and priorities. Clarify what's important to you and use this as a guide for your financial decisions. This can help you avoid impulse buying and focus on what really matters. Practice gratitude. Focus on what you have and be grateful for it. This can help you avoid the trap of always wanting more and more. Be mindful of your spending. Before making a purchase, ask yourself if it aligns with your values and priorities. Consider if it's a need or a want, and if it's worth the money. Develop good habits. Create healthy money habits, such as tracking your spending, saving regularly, and avoiding impulse buying. These habits can help you stay on track and achieve your financial goals. Conclusion. Money management is an essential skill for everyone. By budgeting, saving, investing, managing debt, and developing healthy habits, you can achieve your financial goals and build a secure future. Remember, it's not just about the technical aspects of money management, but also about your mindset and habits. Start taking control of your finances today, and you'll be on your way to a brighter financial future. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video on money management helpful. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up to support our channel and help others discover this content. Also, if you know someone who could benefit from this information, please share this video with them. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal finance, investing, and more. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.